How retirees are making extra income in 2026. 5 simple ways. Retired, but still want income? Imagine waking up in retirement with money coming in without clocking in to a 9 to 5. Sounds good, right? The truth is, retirement doesn't mean your earning days are over. In fact, for many people, it's just the beginning. Retirement doesn't mean stopping. It's a chance to start something new. Whether you want extra income, a financial cushion, or just love staying active, there are more opportunities today than ever before. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 smart ways to make money in retirement without a full-time job. Welcome to Renville Retired, where I discuss all things retirement related. Let's get started. This video is designed to get you thinking about what's possible. It's not a deep dive into each method. That's coming in future videos. But this will open your eyes to the real possibilities. Tip number 1. Monetize a hobby. One of the most enjoyable ways to make money in retirement is doing something you already love. Think about it. After decades of work, you finally have time to lean into your passions. And many of those passions can actually generate income. If you love painting or crafting, you can sell your work on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. Photography? You can upload photos to stock websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and earn royalties every time someone downloads your image. Gardening? Many retirees sell plants, herbs, or even fresh vegetables locally, or start a small roadside stand. Into woodworking, knitting, baking, these all have markets. The key here isn't turning your hobby into another stressful job. It's about scaling at your own pace. Maybe you sell just a few items a month. That's still extra income doing something you enjoy. Some first steps to get started are: identify what you already love doing, test if there's a demand, searching online marketplaces, and start small. Don't overinvest up front. Many retirees find that monetizing a hobby not only brings in money, but also gives them a renewed sense of purpose. Tip number 2. Freelance or consult. You spent decades building skills, knowledge, and experience. Why let that go to waste? There are people right now who would gladly pay for what you already know. Retired teachers can tutor students online through platforms like Wisent or Tutor.com. Former accountants can help small businesses during tax season. Managers and executives can consult for startups or small companies. Writers, editors, and marketers can freelance from home. The biggest advantage here is that you're not starting from scratch. You're leveraging what you already know. You can choose your hours, your clients, and your workload. Want to work 5 hours a week? You can. Want to take a month off? You can do that too. Some steps to get started here are: websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great places to find opportunities. Or simply reach out to your old network, former colleagues, employers, or industry contacts. Many retirees underestimate the value of their experience. But in reality, experience is often more valuable than formal education. If you're finding this helpful so far, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to Renville Retired. It really helps the channel, and I've got more videos coming that go deeper into each of these ideas. Tip number 3. Rent out a spare room. If you have extra space in your home, you might be sitting on a steady income stream without even realizing it. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO allow you to rent out a room, or even your entire home, for short stays. Depending on your location, this can generate significant income, especially in high-demand areas. If short-term rentals feel like too much work, you can consider a long-term roommate. This can provide consistent monthly income and even help reduce living expenses like utilities. Some of the benefits of this income stream are flexible income and better use of unused spaces. Some things to consider before doing this are: check your local laws and HOA rules, think about privacy and comfort level, and factor in cleaning and maintenance. For many retirees, this option turns a fixed asset, their home, into a cash-generating asset. Tip number 4, passive income through investments. This is where your money starts working for you. Instead of trading time for money, you're earning income from assets you already own. Some examples of passive income are: dividend stocks pay you a portion of company profits regularly. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, allow you to invest in real estate without owning property directly. And annuities can provide guaranteed income streams depending on their structure. Why retirees like passive income? Minimal day-to-day effort and predictable income potential. But this is not risk-free. Markets go up and down, and not all investments are suitable for every situation. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making major investment decisions. For many retirees, a balanced approach works best, combining income-generating investments with safety and stability. Tip number 5, start a YouTube channel or a blog. This one is especially powerful, and it's something I personally believe in. You have a lifetime of stories, knowledge, and experiences. There are people out there who want to hear it. Some ways to monetize this content are through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products or courses. Some content ideas for retirees are travel experiences, financial lessons, health and wellness, and daily life in retirement. This is not instant income, though. It takes time, consistency, and patience. But over time, it can become a powerful income stream, and more importantly, a creative outlet. Many retirees find this incredibly fulfilling. It keeps you learning, creating, and connecting with others. Retirement is the perfect time to try new things and earn extra income along the way. You don't need to go back to a full-time job. You just need to think differently about your time, your skills, and your opportunities. Which of these ideas stood out to you most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you got value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about retirement or already there. And stay tuned, because in upcoming videos, I'll break down each of these strategies step by step so you can actually start putting them into action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.